Here's a how to do this activity video for the Create a Face Genetics Lab activity. Start by putting the names of who's the mom and who's the dad for this activity. Okay? Then we start by figuring out the gender of your baby. So because you're for sure going to get an X chromosome from your mom, because females always have two X chromosomes and males have an X and a Y chromosome, you actually get the gender of the baby based on what chromosome you get from the dad. So if you get an X, your code is going to be XX, you're going to be a girl. If you get a Y, your code is going to be XY, so you're going to be a boy. So the dad flips the coin, and if it's heads, it's going to be female, so your code would be XX. And if it's tails, then your baby is male, and you put XY as your genotype. Okay, so you put here the gender, male or female. Okay, so when you're drawing your picture, you will draw a male or a female child. Here, you need to get a coin or an app on your phone that has a coin tosser, okay, like a dime. This is tails, okay, this is heads because it has the queen's head on it, or you could flip an eraser, it doesn't matter. So here, if you get heads, you get the capital R, or the dominant gene. If you flip tails, you get the lowercase letter, which is the recessive gene. Okay, so let's do a practice one. So the allele for mom, we flip, okay, and that's tails. Okay, so because it's tails, you use the lowercase letter. In this case, the letters we're going to use is the lowercase r. Allele for dad, let's flip. Heads, okay, so we get the dominant gene. So whenever you're doing the genotype, you put the capital letter first. Okay, so in this case, it's capital R, lowercase r. Then you say, okay, well, what's the phenotype that goes with that genotype? Then you've got to look at your paper that you were given. So the shape of the face of your child, it's not round, you don't have two capitals. It's not round, you don't have two capitals, because this would be the dominant gene and the recessive gene. You're going to have a baby with the square face. So, this one, okay, because that was our genotype. So your baby is going to have a round face. So when you draw your offspring, you're going to draw it with a round face. So you do that for all the characteristics, and then when you're done, you answer the questions. Have fun.